here with me tonight. He also thinks I'm the prettiest on the stage. And his favourite instructor. And he's going to buy me 2 bottles of wine at the end of the night.
Push me more then.
He said that, she said that, I said a lot.
Well, have you told me Sinead Chwami?
I'm going to tell you a story that I heard.
A bhád a seo that díst bhatach spríomhór.
One day there were these 2 guys out for a big spree. Well, yes.
Wel sé de tusin?
Do you understand?
Could it create a bottle of Africa?
Well, anyway, they finished off the bottle they had.
Agus bheit fis féirú go raibh fear $1 an sa choirsneach.
And after finishing the bottle, one of them thought that he knew for sure that there was a wake happening in the village. A wake. That's what you go to say your prayers and after someone dies. Yes?
Agus is still fear the tóra
And after a funeral, there will be a Torah. A funeral. Yes. He's doing subtitles for me now. So, after the wake, there will be a funeral.
Could you bheit fis after an big bottle
But anyway, they knew that there was bound to be another bottle there.
Chaiad gin taiada agus chunigat bottle in a bhór.
So they went to the house where the wake was happening and they saw the bottle on the table.
Ach beter gaibh uirní a gal ag a histí an tasha.
However, they had to say a prayer at the coffin first.
Leis an dúrach go bhora, chaiad an glúman ag a piano.
But with the amount they'd had to drink, they went on their knees in front of the piano. Gaelic for piano is piano.
Agus gabhad uirní,
They said their prayer,
agus thuairt unéir riisinéir eile má ruaí
and one of them said to the other, "Oh dear."
agus record an bottle eile,
And the other one replied,
well, bheit fioch chun bria ag a cuidiú.
"Well, he had amazing teeth anyway."
Sin agat